you taste cardboard at the end of it?
Why have you eaten cardboard? Hello guys, welcome to Lab Cats, where curiosity doesn't kill the cat.
It just makes us try the weirdest and quirkiest things out there. What are we trying to do?
We are trying different Fanta flavors.
Which color do you want?
I think I'll start with the yellow one. Which flavor is this? It's
Ooh,
lemon.
lemon. भाई ये तो स्टेशन के बाहर वाला नींबू पानी है
बड़ा गिलास 20 रुपए का
और ये कितने का था महंगा देन कंपेयर टू द नॉर्मल वन आई वुड अज्यूम
So I would rate this a 5.
same it still tastes good but I feel like I would still rate it a 5 out of
Yeah,
10.
yeah. I would rather have the anti soda. I don't know why.
That's why he's the goat. The goat.
Let's move on to the next one.
चलो
Ooh, strawberry flavor, and it says Parisa strawberry.
oh what is Parisa strawberry
How would I know? Ooh, I like the sound of it.
it smells nice it smells like dawai
It smells like Red Bull. Bro, this tastes like cough syrup exactly.
I know it's like nostalgic but in a bad way
Personally, for me, Mihir, this is a 2.
I would say it's still a 3 out of 10 because it does not taste that bad, but it does taste bad. Thank you so much, Fanta Strawberry, for that nostalgic trip to the doctor's office. Which one do you want to have next then?
I think let's go with the blue one.
It does look fun though. Ooh,
Ooh, pineapple and grapefruit.
this looks very similar to the lemon wala.
Just.
Zero? Is that an option?
What would you rate this?
Zero, bhai. I don't know.
Let's do it 1.5 here.
Chalega, 1.5.
1.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I think Tutti Frutti karte hai because that sounds Indian and nice.
Indian and nice. I
Yes.
don't in general like tutti frutti. Yeah, this smells nice.
I don't
Yeah,
know how to
sweet.
describe it, but it smells nice.
That's what I said. What else? What else?
That's a 10.
I feel like this was really nice.
Yeah, this is nice.
है
I
ना?
can have.
Yeah. I would still have the lemon over it somehow.
So your verdict would be
4.5.
4.5. I
What
would
about-
give this a 5.
5.
Yeah. So now we have just 2 flavors left. How about I pour it for you, you drink it, and then you tell me which flavor do you think it is.
Chalega.
Cool. This is fruit twist, and this is grape flavor.
Nice.
Okay.
Okay, I have to guess which one is this, right?
Yeah.
Hi. Is this the pineapple wala?
Why do you know it so well?
Fruit twist, huh?
Fruit twist.
Chalo. Bhai, this just tastes like mixed fruit.
Mixed fruit with soda.
Yeah. How much would you rate it?
I would give this a 6.
I would give it a 7. It was actually nice.
7?
Yeah.
This would be your highest if this
भाई
does
अभी
not work.
अभी तक जो भी ट्राई किया है उसके हिसाब से this deserves a 7. We'll move on to our final drink for the day.
Grape flavor.
I
Do
don't
you,
have a
do,
smell.
do you think that this would taste like wine?
No.
I'm not an alcoholic.
But actually it looks nice, man.
Yeah.
But does it taste as nice as it looks?
Yeah, we'll know.
Cheers.
कौन सा ग्रेप ऐसा टेस्ट करता है?
Do you taste cardboard at the end of it?
Why have you eaten cardboard first?
I have not eaten cardboard, but I would assume cardboard would taste like the aftertaste.
What would you rate this?
Honestly, 3.5.
3 for me.
Hmm.
Yeah.
It's the cardboard that gets me.
So I think, in my opinion, some of these flavors would work good as mixers,
Actually.
and that would be fruit twist for me, lemon, and I think tutti
this
frutti
would
also.
also.
Yeah. I can have these and you can have the rest.
Please comment your recommendations down below so that we can have better stuff over here.
Yeah. See you soon.
Bye.
Chill.
And then this is like, I say, peace, 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 peace.
Hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to see